Welcome to Arredamenti Martinel, where elegance and design meets uncompromising quality. We select the finest global design brands that embody aesthetics and functionality, offering timeless pieces that we proudly incorporate into our projects. Today we introduce you
RIVA1920.
This brand embodies the essence of timeless Italian craftsmanship and sustainable design. It has been a pioneer in creating exceptional furniture that celebrates the natural beauty of wood. Tables are masterpieces of design, where the raw elegance of natural wood takes center stage. Each table is a unique creation, showcasing the beauty of solid wood with its organic shapes, rich textures, and intricate details. Trust our team of expert designers to turn your vision into reality. We offer bespoke design services, where every detail is meticulously curated to create spaces that reflect your personal taste and fulfill your living needs. Stools are crafted from solid wood, offering not just seating but also a sculptural element to your space. The design of these stools is inspired by nature, combining organic forms with functional elegance. Arredamenti Martinel, your destination for elegance and comfort in your home. Discover the products that have captivated our customers and be inspired. Visit Martinel's store to explore the entire collection and find the perfect piece for your home. Explore our curated collection of exquisite furniture and decor, and enjoy the convenience of shopping from the comfort of your own space, with seamless browsing and secure transactions. Take advantage of exclusive promotions and add a touch of class to your home. We bring our commitment to excellence to a global scale with international delivery. Wherever you are in the world, our high-quality furnishings will be delivered directly to you, ensuring reliable and timely service. Customer satisfaction is our priority. We provide dedicated customer service, ready to assist you at every stage of the process. From initial consultation to managing deliveries and beyond, we're here to ensure a seamless shopping experience. Unlock weekly deals and design inspiration. Join our exclusive no-obligation Telegram channels that allows you to remain anonymous.